If you want to save time and stay consistent with your emails, using email templates is one of the simplest, smartest things you can do. And in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use them effectively, without fluff, just straight to the point. Stick around because I'll also show you a simple trick at the end that most people miss. And it'll make a huge difference in how your templates actually perform. I've tested all the popular tools, Gmail, Outlook, HubSpot, and a few niche CRMs. And after all that, I'm using one specific software that made everything faster and more consistent across my business. You'll find an exclusive free trial in the description below, only for viewers of this channel. If you want to follow along step by step, that's the one to use. Let's get into it. First, the core idea of an email template is having a pre-written message you can reuse, so you're not typing the same things over and over. But the key is setting them up in a way that saves time and still feels personal. Inside the software we're using, go to your email section and find the templates or saved messages area. It might also be under canned responses or snippets. Create a new template. Start with something you send regularly, like a meeting follow-up, an onboarding message, or a lead response. Use brackets for areas you'll want to customize. For example, hi first name. Thanks for reaching out about topic. Here's what you need to know. Keep the structure simple. You want the message to feel like a real person wrote it, even though it's mostly automated. Make sure your sign-off is warm and friendly, and consider adding a small line at the end like, let me know if you have any questions. That keeps it human. Now here's the part most people skip, testing and tweaking. After you send the same template a few times, look at what's getting responses and what isn't. Maybe your subject line needs adjusting, or your tone could be more conversational. Small changes here can save hours over the long run. Next, organize your templates. Group them by category, sales, support, internal, and label them clearly. That way, you or your team aren't hunting for the right message every time. In our software, you can even share templates across your team, so everyone stays on brand and on message. Bonus tip, add merge tags if your tool supports them. That lets the system autofill names, dates, or even personalized recommendations into your template. It's next level for scaling up your communication while keeping it personal. Quick reminder, everything I just showed you works perfectly inside the software we're using, and that exclusive free trial link is in the description if you want to try it for yourself. Here's the key takeaway. Email templates are about more than saving time. They're about building a system that keeps your communication consistent, professional, and scalable. To recap, start with your most used emails. Use placeholders to personalize quickly. Keep it human, even if it's automated. Tweak and test for better results. Organize your templates to save even more time. That's it. Straightforward, fast, and something you can set up today. And again, if you want to try the software I personally use and recommend, the exclusive trial is waiting for you in the description. I'll see you in the next one.